Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar did push down pretty good. We are on the daily time frame, and the daily is definitely still within a channel going up. It is also still making higher lows and higher highs, and we definitely do not have an engulfing move to the downside or a break of structure down or anything whatsoever telling us that the market is going down yet. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going up. I mean, the market always knows best. We are definitely in an uptrend based on structure, based on price, based on market flow, and based on the channel. So I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. We did have a pretty strong move down, as you can see, throughout the Asian session last night. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. As you'll notice, this 50% fib level that we're at right now is also the top of this move right here. Oftentimes you do get tops become bottoms, bottoms become tops. I would like to see like a double bottom here. I would kind of like to see something like that. If I see something like that, that definitely would be my next long opportunity. But whether it does that or whether it decides to do something else, I personally am looking for longs on these sort of time frames because of my higher roadmap time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.